Do you want to embed a YouTube video in Twitter X? You can share video on Twitter X with just a few simple steps. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. I've also included some helpful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them out. To embed a YouTube video in your X post. First, open the YouTube app or go to the YouTube website. Once you are on YouTube, find the video you want to embed on X. Open the video and tap on the share button below the video. Now, tap on copy link. This will copy the YouTube video URL to your clipboard. Next, open the X app on your mobile device or go to the X website. Make sure you are logged into your account. Now, tap on the post button to create a new video post. In the text box, you can add your own text or caption. Now, paste the copied YouTube link. Once you paste the link, X will automatically generate a video preview. If you don't see the preview, it will appear after posting. Tap on Post to publish your tweet. Your YouTube video will now appear embedded with a playable preview.